Both men and women enjoy mixing oral sex into their love lives, but too often the activity is approached with perhaps less preparation and thought than is appropriate. There are any number of tips that can help both sexes make the oral sex experience even more pleasurable, and some are shared below. One tip for men to remember before all others: make sure that one's regular penis care routine keeps the penis in the kind of physical condition that makes a woman more likely to perform orally. A penis that looks or smells unhealthy is not a penis she wants to wrap her lips around. Tips for her. Be confident. Really, this tip applies to both men and women. A lover who is sure of herself tends to be more satisfying. Sometimes a woman approaches oral sex with a penis a bit tentatively. A man likes it when a woman preps his penis with assurance and launches into oral gratification with a purpose and a goal. Go bit by bit. Don't feel obligated to take in large portions of the shaft right away. A man usually prefers to have a woman run her tongue around the tip of his penis and the glands for a while, and then to slowly take the shaft into her mouth an inch or so at a time. This also helps the woman to adapt to the feel of the penis and to reduce the gag reflex that can accompany oral sex on a male. Take breaks. Having an erect manhood in the mouth can become tiring, so find times to remove the member from the mouth. Licking the shaft or engaging in manual stroking during these breaks can keep the momentum going for him. Cool it down. Adding a bit of coolness to the oral sex experience can be mind-blowing for a man. Keep a glass of cold water by the bed and occasionally take a sip and then return to gratifying the penis. The change in temperature on his hot penis will be very pleasurable for him. Tips for him. Don't rush in. Guys tend to like to get down to business with sex. Just as with intercourse, it sometimes pays to do a little warming up of one's lady love before opening up the oral pleasure chest. Make sure to engage in plenty of kissing, caressing and gentle stroking of the breasts, vagina and other erogenous zones before engaging in cunnilingus. Take your time. A woman wants to enjoy this experience and doesn't want to feel rushed. Start slowly and don't feel like there's a timetable that needs to be adhered to. Tell her you enjoy it, too. Even if a guy doesn't particularly like giving oral sex, he should be generous during the moment. Find ways to enjoy it more and let the lady know that giving her pleasure is something that gives a man great pleasure. Follow her lead. As the oral sex progresses, she may want a few different approaches. If she asks for something different, accommodate her. It isn't a criticism, just some helpful guidance. Use a pillow. Propping her pelvis on a pillow makes access to her full vaginal area easier and enables a man to provide greater oral pleasure. One last tip: guys who want oral sex should use a first-class penis health creme. Health professionals recommend Man 1 Man Oil to keep the penis appealing. If a guy's member tends to emit an unpleasant aroma, a creme with the antibacterial power of vitamin A will help head that odor off at the pass. If a guy's manhood has dry, flaky skin, using a creme with a high-end emollient like shea butter can help moisturize the penis and make the skin smooth and attractive. And a cream with a powerful antioxidant, such as alpha-lipoic acid, is going to help offset oxidative and aging processes in cell metabolism that can cause an unwanted wrinkled look to the penis. The best of tips: a woman will be more open to oral sex if she is presented with a healthy penis.